So here's a fun tip and trick for you. Um, so ZZ Takeoff has this really cool feature, and I'm even going to do a line here. Let's just go like this, okay? If you would like, you could not only rotate the page, which we've seen in another video by right-clicking, hit rotate right, rotate left, and that's for the page, okay? But if I wanted to rotate, let's say, just this one rectangle, and I want to rotate it left. Now I can rotate it left, which is really nice for like pad footers that always don't line up like you want them. Anyway, so that's a neat feature. But on the areas, you can rotate right or left, or you could flip horizontally, or you could flip vertically. It's kind of fun. And then also on the lines, you can actually rotate those as well. So just a simple little task that is built into ZZ Takeoff that makes your job just so much easier, so much better. Anyways, enjoy. Have a wonderful day, and thanks for watching, okay? Bye.